where hyenas were bullying a small sloth.
Hey, leave him alone.
Who's trying to cheat death?
The hyenas had never seen a cat of such a large size.
Have you ever seen a cat this big in your life? It's just like our great lord.
I'm giving you a final warning.
Not a warning. I'll send you straight to hell.
With just one kick from Master Meow, the leader of the hyenas flew 10 feet away and died. The remaining 2 hyenas, upon seeing their group leader, got scared
Run.
and ran away to their great lord.